I have the worst luck with things leaking in my bag, and by worst luck, I mean I'm stupid and cannot put the lids on things for the life of me. Anyways, I just got back from Jersey, and that was a fun trip. It is the oh my god. Oh. Ow, I have a cut. This really burns. Okay, anyways. Using this stuff, it's a trial sample. This video is gonna be a mess, whatever. Opened my makeup bag and realized that that stuff that I'm using in my hair right now is all over every article of product in my bag. So everything, all my makeup, all my hairbrushes are covered in leave-in conditioners. For me, whatever. Moving on. I didn't actually wash my hair. I just got it wet because with my new hair dye, I am trying not to wash it more than like twice a week, just to get the most out of my color, because I'm not gonna be able to see her again until probably summertime. So like a long time from now, so I really have to make this color last. Yeah, should be fun. So I'm just gonna take my wet brush. I was watching Jackie Wires, and I just love how she just kind of does whatever the heck she wants in her videos. Like she's what I fully aspire to be as a YouTuber, because she just like does really cool characters that she thinks are fun. So that's what I'm gonna be doing from now on, for the most part. Because that's what I like to do too. So I'm gonna take my Dry Bar root lifter. It's pretty much just a mousse, but oh my god. Wow, it smells so strong. Anyways, I'm gonna put that mostly on my roots. My hair's still a little too wet, I think, for the pin curl, so I'm gonna go get it to like 50% dry. Right now I'd say it's like 30% dry, and I'll be right back. A little bit more dry. Now all you're gonna need is a ton of bobby pins, and if you want to be really neat like me, you will need a comb. So I'm just gonna start taking like 1-inch sections. So I'll start with this front one, and then I'm just gonna clip that out of the way and comb that out, and then boop. And essentially all you really do, make sure there's not too many tangles. Take 2 fingers and wrap. I like to do it in a downwards motion. And then undo it, and just make sure you kind of pin it on top of itself, if that makes sense. And just take your bobby pin. I like to use the groovy side down because I find it has more grip. That's just me though. And make sure if you have like little ends popping out, you just want to pin it and like crisscross applesauce, if that makes sense. Voila, there's your first pin curl. So I basically curl mine all like going towards my face in that direction. I hope that motion makes sense. So now I'm gonna move on to this one. And the reason why I like doing pin curls on, I'm probably gonna be doing a lot more hairstyle videos since I won't be washing my hair as much. And I like to do hairstyles, just so I don't have to wash my hair as much. And obviously when your hair is styled, it's less hard to tell that it's dirty. When I just wear my hair straight all the time, it looks dirty by like day 2. So really interesting fun fact that I love watching old Hollywood like hair and makeup tutorials, And back in the day, like, women didn't wash their hair hardly at all. Like, they would go get their hair styled sometimes, like if they had money, at the salon. Like, they'd get it set in curls at the salon and get their style set. And then they would just put their hair in pin curls every night and do like brush out styles in the morning. And I think that's really cool. And yeah, they would literally wear the style for up to like 2 weeks, which is crazy. And then wash it and do the same thing all over again. And I'll have linked down below for anyone that's interested. I just love watching those videos. I find them so like relaxing. I'll link some of my favorites down below. Okay, so I'm just literally gonna do that motion for my entire head and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I am done. This is how it looks. Very messy, but like it really doesn't matter. I think I'm gonna redo this one though because it looks so much bigger than all the other ones. It's still wet, but yeah. I'm gonna split this one in two just to get maximum volume at the front. I've tried pin girl clips before, these kinds, and I find them so uncomfortable to sleep in because of the tips. So bobby pins have always been my go-to. But if you guys know of any ones, like if anybody is super into like old Hollywood hairstyles and somehow knows about all this stuff. Voila! Ew, it looks like I have a huge bald spot right there. I don't. So I'm just gonna go to sleep. I might run the hairdryer over my hair just for like 5 minutes just to ensure that they dry overnight. But yeah, that's really all I do. And I'm gonna probably wrap my hair in a silk scarf just to like protect my hair. Anywho, see you in the morning. Goodbye. Okay, you guys, it's morning time. It's 1 in the afternoon, it's fine. I'm just gonna turn on my straightener because inevitably some of these curls will have some weird kinks in them. It's just what happens. Really no controlling it. Okay, so now that we look like Shirley Temple, so fun. I'm gonna touch up a few of them because like, what is this jankiness? It must have fallen out when I fell asleep. Super fun. Okay, so like this one could be way more curly at the end, so I'm just gonna do that. This is why I just don't like using the straightener because these are so bouncy and then like no matter what, the ones I do with the straightener just kind of fall flat. But it is what must be done and it is my only solution, so. And the other ones will eventually fall, especially because it's raining today and I'm about to go outside. Okay, so all you're gonna need is just, oh, my fan's still on. Sorry guys. Really sorry about that. I'm just really cold and my heater's on. So all you're gonna need is like a really nice boar bristled brush. It's just like a good styling brush because like it's smoothing. I also have like a round one, but I just like the flat kind better because it helps me to like really carve those curls, you know? And we're just literally gonna start brushing out the hair. It's gonna look really insane at first, but don't fret. Brush it all out at once and kind of see what form it naturally wants to take, and I'll work on that. So right now I'm literally just brushing it out with no intention and just see what it does. So yeah, it looks crazy, I know, but it's fine. So I can tell that it wants to definitely go under, and this part really wants to come forward just by doing that. So that's what we're gonna work with. Then a lot of the times I kind of like to run my fingers through just to separate it a bit more. I really like what this is doing though, so I don't really want to mess with it too much. I never like it when like this piece is too there. Sometimes it kind of gets just like flat and then curls at the ends. I want it to have like curl all the way through. Okay, so that's probably how I'll keep this side. I didn't change my shirt first, that was a mistake. Always put on the clothes that you're gonna wear because now I'm gonna have to do this all over again. It's fine. And voila, a very accurate 50s style brush out. Now, I wouldn't wear this like on the daily because it's just a bit too extravagant, but I love it for like holidays or for like fancy events or just Instagram pictures or just like honestly when I'm bored. This is something I used to do a lot. When I was younger, I would just play with my hair because I would be bored and like cell phones weren't as big a thing and social media only existed via Facebook, so I would just play with my hair a lot and like do my makeup at 12 o'clock at night because I would be bored. So speaking of that, now we're gonna move on to the rest of the video where I'm gonna show you guys some fun styles to do with this hair, but before I do that, I'm gonna put on a little bit of makeup and I'm not gonna show that. If you guys want a holiday makeup tutorial, then just go look at my Audrey Hepburn one because that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing. And yeah, I'll be right back. Just did my makeup and I've gone outside a little bit so my hair is kind of fallen and settled into place, but this curl is looking especially depressing, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. Back in the game. Voila. So obviously the first hairstyle is like just it brushed out, but personally I like how it looks more when I clip it to the side. So I'm just gonna take any decorative clip really that you decide to wear or that matches your outfit or like whatever, and just brush the hair back smoothly. And I'm gonna be using this little clip today and just clip it in place. And then you can just, I usually just use my fingers for this part, but voila, super easy, super classy holiday hairstyle number one. I'm not gonna be doing many, or actually this is number two, huh? I'm sorry, I can't speak today. And I'm gonna do a half up, half down kind of look. This one's very inspired by Brooke Shields. She has like the prettiest hair in this picture. It's like my dream hair. So you're just gonna take bobby pins for this one. You could use decorative clips, but I mean, it doesn't really matter. And I just sort of take the hair and twist it ever so slightly and just pin in an X. And the X just makes it really secure. Gonna brush out the hairs a bit while holding the bobby pins in place so that they don't get too messed up. Okay, so there is, oh gosh, she's going crazy. There is holiday hair number two. This one's also extremely classic, extremely just, I can't think of any other word other than classic. Maybe vintage, I guess, kind of looking. But yeah, I just feel really classy and put together with this type of hair. So there's look number 3. Moving on to look number 4, which is another half up, half down inspired look. So you're just gonna take the front sections of your hair from about your ear, and I'm just gonna twist them again because I just think that that looks the best with this kind of curl. And twist backwards. Same thing with this one after I brush it out. And I'm gonna take this really cool clip that I have. That's like a little circle, and you'll see how it looks once I kind of like put it in my hair. Kind of a challenge to use though. So again, this is pretty similar to the other one, except now I'm just gonna show you how the back looks. Hopefully it looks good. I haven't looked at it actually. I'm curious. Yeah. So is that in frame? Hopefully you can see the clip. I just think it's a really cool clip and it's very festive. I'll try to link it down below. I got it from Ulta quite a long time ago, so we'll see. And look like a newscast lady. Hello, welcome back. So another really pretty look I like to do. I don't know, nothing beats having it just down, but last one for today's video. The last one for today's video is just gonna be a simple ponytail. Simple, classy, elegant. You know the works, but the difference that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave out these hairs for now. And you'll see why. And just bring all the hair back. And this is no dry shampoo in my hair. Like, look how pin curls are no joke if you want some volume in your hair. It just makes your hair so easy to style, which is what I love about them. Straight hair doesn't style all that well. So we have a ponytail, and now I just want to brush it out and make it look more polished. So as you can see, ponytail is nice and brushed out, has a nice little flip to it. But I really love the S shape that this hair is giving me right now. So I want to incorporate that into my ponytail. I just really love the volume that this piece of hair is giving me, and I wish that like this part of my hair didn't exist so I could just wear it down. But it does. So I'm gonna try to figure something out by twisting it into those little like curled bangs they used to do back in the day. Never actually tried this before. We'll see how it goes. That looks really cute, I think. I'm not sure. Wish the bobby pin was closer to my natural hair color. That looks pretty cute. I'm gonna call that hairstyle. This one, I was just kind of messing around and I ended up liking how it looked. I feel very The Notebook in this one. The only issue is the bobby pin's pretty visible from up close, but from far away you really can't see it, and it looks very classy. So alright you guys, so that concludes 5 holiday hairstyles for you this season, or just classic kind of looks. They don't have to be for Christmas, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and hit the bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to also follow my Instagram. I'll have it right here and linked down below, as well with my other social media, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.